back to my channel. Today we have a very special unboxing video with Regó-Fix. They sent us a couple presents this year. Let's open them up together. I guess we'll start... Which one should we open first? We'll start with this little one. And for those of you that don't know, Regó-Fix is a Swiss company, and they are the inventor of the ER collet. On Regó-Fix, what makes them special is that they are the inventor of the ER collet. They were founded by Fritz Weber, and they started off with making broom handles, and then they moved on to the ER collet. So I think the story goes something like, how can we, instead of throwing the whole broom away, what else can we do, you know? So they invented the broom handle. Looks like they sent us some clothes. The merch. Just get a grip on your tooling. If you're not using the power grip system, then what are you using? That could be a commercial. Cute. More power grip stuff. And you know what? I think some of this stuff is for my dad. I love to include my dad in any video if I can. Ooh, this one's super cute. Might just have to throw that on right now. It's kind of cold in here. We got a little fleece. A little fleece for the gym. Yes, for the golf days. That dry fit. Nice. Thank you so much, Regó-Fix. Dude, how nice is this one? This is for my dad. Oh my god, thank you guys. He's gonna love it. Ooh, another dry fit. And this one's also for my dad. I got the black one, he got the blue one. We're totally gonna take a couple pictures together. Dude, how's my dad gonna look in this color? He's gonna be so cute. Oh my god. And with the Regó-Fix in the back. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me all this clothes. And remember, get a grip on your tooling with Regó-Fix. Okay, actually we'll do the blue one. Oh my god! I wanted this so bad! They sent me a mini power grip unit! And it's Legos! Oh my god! I wonder if it's already all... I'm gonna put this together later with my family. Oh my god, I could cry. It's so cute. Yeah. The star of the show, the mini power grip unit. Ooh, we got a cute little tote. A new book of dreams. Ooh, some magnets. We should just add those right now. Tooling by Regó-Fix. Oh, they sent me, this one's the measuring one, and these are two of their tooling ones. Leave those there. A Regó lanyard. More Regó lanyards. Do you want one, Daniel? Daniel's our cameraman today, by the way. Daniel, you want a lanyard? There you go. A Swiss Army knife? Dude. You want one? Dude, how cute is this? Here you go, Daniel. This is so fun. Pull studs. Are these just like Regó pull studs? They are! They're Regó-Fix pull studs! Oh my god, they're so... Dude, a Stanley Cup? You're lying! What color do you think it is? I think it's blue. Mmm. Tastes like success. Regó-Fix. A Yeti. No, I'm kidding. Oh, para mi cafecito en las mañanas. Now on to the big green. This box is so heavy. They sent us some tool holders. You know what that means. Get rid of all the old stuff, coming in with the new. And we're coming in hot. Six-inch. We're going to get into those a little bit later. They're not tool holders. We got an 8-inch. Intimidating. Thank you guys so much. My favorites are the smalls though. A little 3-inch. Is also the same. The same. These 3 are the same. These 4. Oh my god, these are my favorite. I'm so excited to use these. This is. Look at all these collets! So, these are all the 2.8, a little bit over all the collets. This is a 3-inch, another 3-inch, a 3-inch. These are just perfect. I could cry. But I'm super happy and very grateful that you guys sent me all these things to partner and to use Regó-Fix stuff. I don't have anything that's Regó-Fix, and I've heard only amazing things. So being able to work with such an amazing company, I am so grateful. Thank you guys again so much. All right. I don't even know what to say. You guys, they sent me a power grip unit. So what's unique about the power grip system, it's very popular right now. Its holders have like a very shallow taper. I believe it's like 1 degree or something. And so you have your, let's just put one of these together really quick. Oh, look how small it is. I didn't even see this one. Oh my god. All right. So this one, we'll do. So we have like, so PG-15 and then there's PG-25. And what's also cool about this is that it has inserts, and you can switch out the inserts. So I could do PG-15, just have to switch out the like adapter that goes in here, or PG-25, switch out the adapter again. And you can do all styles of folders. All you have to do is switch out the adapter. Fancy. Oops. We have the holder, the collet, and then we have the pull stud. So just really quick, pull stud goes down here. For those of you at home who don't know and aren't into manufacturing but love me and watch my videos like my friends. So this is a pull stud. This goes straight into the machine. This is a tool holder or tool chuck. And this is a collet. So my bits, my end mills are going to go in here. We're going to press this down. All this is going to go into the machine like this. And then my end mill, which is like my bit, is what I use to cut the material. So then, but before that, all of this goes into our unit. Our unit comes down and presses this collet down to here. And what's special and unique about this is the amount of run out. It has little to no run out. If you don't believe me, check out Regó-Fix's Instagram, YouTube. So I don't even know what to say, honestly. This is amazing. So this is it from Melissa and Regó-Fix. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for the how-to on how to set up and use a power grip unit. If you have any questions about any of these products, I'll leave Regó-Fix's website in the description and all of their social medias. And don't forget to follow us on any socials. I'll see you guys next time. Merry Christmas!